Enjoy your lesson.
Thank you. Thanks again.
Bye.
Bye.
Boom.
Good afternoon and welcome creators to CAA's Intermediate Music Production course. My name is Hayes and I'm the co-founder, creative director at CAA and mentor of the program. It is wonderful to see all of you virtually today as you take the course online. We switched from our in-classroom training method to a fully online platform due to the uncertainties and impending risks with COVID. This now makes us future-proof to continue training without putting anyone at risk. We put in a lot of thought and effort in making sure the transition was smooth and that the program and experience was effective overall. We tried to emulate our in-classroom session as much as we could by enhancing certain touch points. We started by sending equipment to all those that didn't have the right tools. We added on teaching hours so no one gets left behind. From 25 hours, we raised it to 40 hours. Giving our creators an extra 60% more learning time with the course. We focused on our technical setup and created new methods to run and teach the program online efficiently. We also re-looked at our course syllabus and added in modules that we thought were relevant and made sure we fit in everything and more within 8 days. We can't be happier with the outcome, and we believe that this course and experience will be something that you take with you for a long time and will benefit you in your careers moving forward. With that said, on behalf of the team, I'd like to welcome you to our growing family and also welcome you to your next chapter. Let's learn. Tell us about your humble beginnings as an artist. Because you didn't start off as a rock star. You started very humbly, so tell us about that.
Been doing stage dive since I'm a primary 3. Darjah 3 I dah, yeah.
What is stage dive? What's a stage dive? Like
So,
you mean you actually dive on the stage?
halfway you performing
And then you
like
dive
throw
into the stage?
Yes.
Since
So
you were
that-
how old? Since you were how old?
8, 9.
And my question to you would be, is what do the accolades really mean to you and how important are they?
It's to me, it's definitely a bonus. Like when you're making music, like awards and stuff like that. Like recognition is definitely nice to have that recognition, but I make music because I love making music. Like I don't expect anything back. So being nominated this and that is definitely a plus. It's a bonus when you're in that world, and it's definitely good for you. For example, if I was Grammy nominated, if I was a Grammy nominated artist, like that changes the landscape for me. Like I could.
You mean when you are a Grammy nominated artist?
And first of all, thank you so much, Zane, Rory, Mo, Joey, and Anas. You guys are super great. I learned so much in the past 8 days, and I'm so excited to show my sound to all of you guys.
Let's go.
Baby, don't play no games, cause I need you to be honest. Baby, just be honest.
The next labyrinth in the making, guys. The next labyrinth.
Baby, just be honest.
Where have you been hiding? That's the question.
Yo!
to be in this room right here and having this like low-key listening party on a Monday night amongst the people who are going to be a part of the greatest and brightest upcoming artists alongside this incredible panel. I just have to say that congratulations to all of you, because what you learned from this program is that they did not teach you where the fish is, they taught you how to fish. So from now on, you guys are standalone producers, songwriters, and you can do everything yourself and be great. There is nothing that will stop you from your journey to go to chase your goals and your dreams. And when that day happens, people will finally realize that there is so much talent sitting here in our own country, in our own land.
I'm expecting 20 tracks from you guys. Since I joined this company, the first thing that I always wanted to do, I said, if I'm ever going to leave, I need to achieve one thing, which is to bring Malaysian music back on radio. What we've noticed now is, since launching 6 months ago, 28% of our playlist is now local music.
Great.
It is increasing, and we've also launched it on Mix and Light. The reason is because everybody assumes, oh, if I want to put a song, I need to go on hits. Yes, it's number one, but you also need to know where your music sits. If you send it over and we will tell you that, hey, maybe it's better suited for mix, it's not a bad thing. It's actually a really good thing, because you actually reach more people also. It's my job and my team's job to educate everybody else by putting your music on. So
I'd like to hear that.
yeah, so don't try and tell yourself, oh, I need to follow this sound, right? And have fun, and then everybody else will have fun with your track too.
Exactly.
Guys, let's give a big credit to Hayes for having the vision, having the heart to actually want to do this for all of us, to put us all, give us better skills, service our industry. Hayes and Meredith, we love you all so much, and thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
very much, guys.
Of course. It's a virtual party. Can you all show us your certificates? Yeah, I want to see that.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Hang on.
Smile.
In a time like this, when all the skills that you've worked at and built over the course of a decade and a half suddenly overnight becomes sort of like non-essential, basically, it is one of the worst feelings in the world, So I took it as an opportunity to upskill and learn new skills that could help me pivot into this new digital age that we're living in. It's like the saying goes, you give a man a fish, he eats for a day. Teach a man to fish, he eats for life. So thank you, CAA, for essentially teaching me how to fish.